Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best accordion folding door is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your home, offering a stylish and practical solution to divide or open up spaces. Whether you're looking to create a more defined area in an open-plan living space, add a touch of elegance to your bedroom, or simply need a flexible room divider, this 36 by 80-inch accordion door promises a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics, making it a worthwhile investment for enhancing your home's versatility and charm. Number 5. LTL Via 3280 Folding Door. This accordion folding door is perfect for any home. It's a stylish and practical way to divide your space. It fits openings between 24 and 36 inches wide and 80 inches high, making it versatile for various spaces. It's made with a durable, attractive, and cost-effective design. Plus, it uses a safe, non-leaded vinyl formulation. It comes in 4 colors to match your home style. Find the perfect one to complement your decor. Everything you need is included: the door, track, and hardware. Installation is easy and straightforward. This beautiful fruitwood finish is just one of the stylish color options available. See all the colors and find your perfect match. What we like? It's budget-friendly and long-lasting, made from safe materials. If you're on a budget but need a reliable room divider, this is a great option. It's perfect for those seeking an affordable yet durable solution for their home improvement projects. This is ideal for renters or homeowners who want a functional and attractive door without breaking the bank. What people say? This is very easy to install, just cut so it'll fit good. And it looks and works great. The fold door does make the room a bit darker, enough for me to sleep without light shining in from the bathroom and the kitchen. The apartment is a railroad flat shoebox type. Every room is at 8 by 9 with no doors to divide the rooms. The fold door does make the room a bit darker, enough for me to sleep without light shining in from the bathroom and the kitchen. The door looks nice. I was able to install it completely by myself. It wasn't hard and it works and serves its purpose. Number 4. LTL Contempra Accordion Door. This stylish door adds a contemporary touch to any room. Its textured surface is both beautiful and functional, creating a charming room divider. It's designed in a clean, sand-white hue with elegant gray specks. It seamlessly blends with your existing decor, adding a modern feel to your space. Setting it up is quick and easy, taking only minutes. Everything you need, including the track, instructions, and hardware, is included in the package. It's perfect for creating a double door setup using 2 single doors, second door sold separately. It's ideal for openings between 24 and 36 inches wide and 80 inches tall. A built-in magnet and striker plate ensure it closes securely. This keeps the door closed and prevents unwanted drafts. It measures 79.50 by 36.38 by 1.50 inches and weighs only 5.50 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and install. What we like? This one boasts a stylish design and is super easy to install. If you appreciate modern aesthetics and want a hassle-free installation, this is for you. The secure closure is a great feature for added privacy and peace of mind. It's perfect for those who value both style and convenience. What people say? Installed in less than an hour today. Works perfect. It looks nice, slides well, strong magnet on closure, and works better than the wood door that was there. Easy to set up. Lightweight, stable, everything was there in package, closes well, fit the door frame good. Number 3. LTL Via 36 by 80 Accordion Door. This stylish door is perfect for homes and offices. Its elegant white mist finish adds a touch of class to any room. It creates a wide passage when open and folds neatly to the side when closed. Enjoy easy access without obstruction. Flexible vinyl hinges ensure smooth opening and closing. Say goodbye to sticking and jamming. The sturdy vinyl construction resists wrapping, cracking, and fading. It's designed for lasting durability. It comes with a complete installation kit, including all hardware and instructions. Setup is quick and easy. This door measures 36 inches wide by 80 inches tall. Everything you need for a perfect fit is included. What we like? It offers a smooth, easy operation and a touch of elegance to your space. If you prioritize smooth operation and a refined look, this is the one for you. The durable panels ensure it will last for years to come. This is perfect for those who want a stylish and functional door that will stand the test of time. What people say. The door itself is a rigid plastic vinyl with a flexible rubber in between each panel to allow it to fold. It installs easily enough. Requiring only a tape measure, Phillips No. 2 screwdriver or bit, a drill, a 532 drill bit and a pencil or marker. The color I chose is a white wood grain and looks beautiful. Number 2. LTL Encore EN3280HL Door. This innovative accordion door is perfect for maximizing space in your home. Its energy-efficient design and stylish white finish will complement any room. It's crafted from double-wall vinyl panels, keeping your home comfortable and energy bills low. The flexible vinyl hinges ensure smooth and quiet operation. Ideal for closets and tight spaces, it folds neatly to save valuable floor space. It's the perfect solution for maximizing storage and functionality. The scratch-resistant, UV-varnished white finish ensures it will look great for years to come. It's both beautiful and built to last. It features reversible door handing for ultimate flexibility and can be trimmed to fit any height. You can easily customize it to your exact needs. This door is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Transform your space quickly and efficiently. What we like. This is energy efficient and perfect for smaller spaces. If you're looking for a way to save energy and space, this is an excellent choice. The durable finish ensures it will maintain its appearance for years. It's ideal for those who want a practical and stylish solution for their home. What people say. Installation is easy. It was easy to put up and it was perfect for our doorway and to keep our cat out of the craft room. Good quality. Took me about 30 minutes to install, but I took my time. It was a perfect fit for a 80 by 32 door frame. No cutting needed. They also include a few extra pieces of hardware just in case you lose any pieces. Number 1. LTL Royale Accordion Door. This stylish door is perfect for any home. It's easy to install and will add a touch of elegance to any room. It's made with a safe, lead-free formulation, ensuring peace of mind. The dual-wall construction makes it incredibly durable. It fits openings up to 36 inches wide and 80 inches tall, making it a versatile option for various spaces. It's easily adaptable to your needs. Enjoy its smooth, quiet operation thanks to the maintenance-free glides and rigid hinges. It's designed for effortless use. It features a snap-lock closure channel and is designed to showcase the elegant accordion fold when closed. It's a beautiful addition to any home. Transform your space with this versatile and stylish door. It offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. What we like. It operates quietly and smoothly, built to last. If you value quiet operation and long-lasting quality, this is the door for you. The lead-free construction makes it a safe choice for your home. It's perfect for those who prioritize a peaceful and healthy living environment. What people say. It was so much easier and looks great, and doesn't swing in the way. Great sturdy door even after a year of use. This was very easy to install and took little time. It's well made and I think it will be durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.